Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do the quickest, in my opinion, the quickest way to do a cutout. And I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks so much for watching the video. I tried my best to link all the items used in this video in the description, and you have a great day.